Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to create reusable radio button in Laravel Livewire. So let's get started with an example and let's understand. So in my previous video I already show you how to create a reusable component for input and for select box. Okay, so same thing we are going to do for radio button. You can see over here. So I created like into the blade. Okay, and now what I will do, go here and I will create component for radio. So I will say php artisan mac component. Okay, and then I will say radio. Okay, so it's created one blade file and component file. So go here and you can see that there is a radio. So what we will do, copy this and paste it over here and make it proper format over here. Yeah, first of all I will say active class. So I will define the id variable over here, $id, and then I will define the name. So name is status, so I will say name. Okay, and the model will be status as well. So I will define model variable, and here is the value. So I will say value over here, $value, and then this is the label. Okay, and that should be a dollar label. Save it. Now let me go here and use it. So here I will say x radio and first of all we will define the id will be active. Then we will define the name. So I will say name will be status, and then model will be status as well, and value will be active. Okay, and then label. Okay, and label will be simple thing, variable we need to copy this label, and label will be active. Okay, so that's it. So I will remove it, save it, and now let me go here and refresh it. Yeah, let me run it website again and refresh it. You can see that active status over here. Okay, same thing I need to do for inactive. So copy and paste. id will be inactive, name status fine, model status fine, and value will be inactive, and status will be inactive. Okay, so simple 2-line code right now. Remove this. It's easy and simple. Save it. Okay, and refresh it. You can see that. Okay, and if I say over here from the class, I will say inactive, save it and refresh. You can see that inactive is selected over here. Okay, let me create one record. So I will say product 2, price will be 300. Let me choose one photo. I will say this, category electronics and Apple, inactive, submitted, product created, and let me go here into the database, refresh. You can see that inactive product is created over here. Okay, so how easily we can create the component for radio button, and you can use this entire your project file. Okay, so I hope guys you understand how easily we can create it. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel, like this video and share with your friends, and see you on the next video.